So I think one of the big things in the solar industry, a tendency that salespeople, whether they're just honest, dishonest, or they're just not informed. One of the things I typically will tell people is you're getting this tax rebate, not a tax credit.
Correct.
So can you kind of explain to our audience the difference between a tax rebate and a tax credit?
Yeah. And so I brought notes with me from the IRS.
Yeah. Okay.
So that
Perfect.
When we're speaking, we're not just making fluff, right? Because there is a difference.
Sure.
And so I should have brought my glasses, but tax credits are credit against the taxes owed.
Okay.
Right. A rebate means you're expecting someone to send you a check back.
Right.
And virtually all solar is tax credits.
Yes.
Not rebates.
Right.
And so that's an important function that people need to understand.
Right. I don't know if, these new solar reps who are out there selling, I don't think they're being malicious. I just think they're.
I don't think so.
I just think they're not informed. It sounds great. That's someone's going to write you a check and here you go. Go to Vegas. Go to Hawaii with this tax rebate, this tax check that you're going to be getting. It's a great selling tactic, but at the same time, it's dishonest.
And I think a lot of people. I don't want to say a lot. There are people out there. I know this for a fact that are training these younger guys. That's how it works. It's a rebate,
right?
That you're going to get this check from the government. I mean, I've had people say, I'm going to get this 15. No, you're not.
Right.
You're not getting a check.
Right.
You have to have a liability to get a check. I mean, not to get a credit.
Correct.
To cover that liability. So maybe I talk to people all the time. I say, do you understand what a tax liability is? How does that work when you do your taxes every year? Can you explain to the layman person who just like, what do you mean by a liability when I do my taxes? I don't understand any of this. This is all Chinese to me.
Yeah.
Kind of get into that basic stuff.
I actually use the industry of reverse mortgages as a good tool here, is because when someone does a reverse mortgage, they think that the mortgage company is going to be sending them money. And that's false. When you do a reverse mortgage, all you're doing is saving the amount that you were putting in. So let's say, for instance, your mortgage is $3,000 a month. When you do a reverse mortgage, you're not paying the $3,000 a month. So you're saving $3,000 a month. That's what people get misunderstood about. They think that they're going to get the $3,000. No, they're just going to save $3,000, which effectively stays in their pocket.
Yeah.
That still works. That's still a benefit, right?
Right.
The solar works the same way. A credit and a rebate. A credit goes against the amount that is owed, as opposed to rebate is, I'm getting it, like if you get a tax refund.
Right.
Tax refund is you put too much in. Now the government owes you money back.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's a refund.